Hey friends, hope everything goes well with you. And this is another new review of new sneakers here. As you know, this is so you can check the shoes. You can see Nike SB. Yes, this is the Bang and Jenny's Nike SB down low chunky Dunky. And this be ready to ship. If you want to copy this one, please check out on my web link to copy, and also you can check more details there. And for this too, you can look. So got another very special shoe bags like this. So how cool! On the box got the picture of the shoes and the print Bang and Jenny's chunky Dunky Nike SB. And on the top also got the same, so you can check out. And let me open it. Hold on. So like this, how special. So this one can got these special shoe bags to put the shoes in. Very good. And about these shoe bags, so also very colorful. On the top, with the Nike shoes and Nike SB, and this side got the size label. Okay, for more details, you can check out on my website. And here I show you the shoes for the whole pair also very colorful. So let me take the shoes. You can check out the whole side. Very colorful, the yellow Nike shoes, and also have the blue temple leather and the green part. And this part is the foam material, very comfortable. And we choose the best quality materials to make the shoes in the best condition. And you can check the side here. And about the front, the toe bags and the blue temple leather with the holes, the pure white shoe lace, and in the middle got the lace lock, and around the shoe tongue also got the foam material. On the top got the Nike SB chunky Dunky, and this color with another kind of material, very colorful as well. And then the inner side, so same is the same. Got the foam material, and the Nike shoes is the yellow, and the temple leather, blue color, and the green color. And then the midsole is the pure white, and the back side on the top, embroidered Nike here, and the black temple leather. And also this part got the white stitching, and this is the crown, so it's the crown shape here. And the foam, and the inside, the back side of the shoe tongue, embroidered the Bang and the Jenny's and the other letters. And the inside you can look very good, also very colorful. Print something there, and the colorful pattern, including the side of the back side. And check out the bottom is the green, the dark green, and in the middle got the flash green color. Okay, so for more details, you can check on my web link, and here I only show you a quick look, and also got another actual shoe lace here, green, and this is, I think, is the yellow or orange, yellow. Okay, so this is the shoes I take for you today. If you want to copy some, please don't forget to check out on my website. Okay, so thanks for watching. See you next video. Bye bye.